global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Some days back, Governor Nyesom Wike did a little of retrospection over the issue of indigenous people of Biafra IPOB and the fact that really he's not against the agitation, it's just that the criminalities and the violence that he doesn't approve. But other than that, what they're doing is acceptable. He's actually in full support. Well, as we speak, indigenous people of Biafra kept quiet for a while, just watching in 3D, have decided to open up over some interviews being granted by Governor Nyesom Wike concerning them, and they have this long list to tell him. Well, before we go into the news proper, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. What indigenous people of Biafra IPOB yesterday replied the Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike, saying that he is the worst of all the enemies of Biafra and IPOB in general. The pro-Biafran group alleged that the Governor Wike has a short memory, adding that his alleged recent statement that he, Wike, supports IPOB's agitation against terrorists is an indication that he speaks from both sides of the mouth. A statement by IPOB Media and Publicity Secretary Ima Powerful entitled Governor Nyesom Wike, I take that again, titled Governor Nyesom Wike is worse than all Biafran and IPOB enemies, wondered if it is not the same Rivers State Governor Wike that classified IPOB as a violent organization and ordered that its members should be kept off from Rivers State. IPOB statement reads in part, and I quote, "The attention of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, under the command and leadership of our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been drawn to the recent statement by Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State, claiming that he supports IPOB agitation. He is against Fulani terrorists in Nigeria." The recent statement from Governor Wike and his cronies shows that he's under the influence of something. And we ask, is it not the same Wike who classified the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB as a violent organization and ordered us to keep off from River State? He asked. This is how Nigerian politicians lie blatantly, without shame, just because of politics. Wike has become a shameless liar. He wants to be a president of Nigeria, and he can now afford to tell lies and deceive gullible people like him to become president. Nigerian politicians and their short memory. Wike knows he needs the support and vote of the Igbos and other Biafrans. That is why he suddenly turned out to be a supporter of IPOB. Was it not the same Wike that sponsored the broad daylight of bringing down of Biafrans and IPOB members in Igbo during the #EndSARS protest in 2020? He asked. Governor Wike cannot claim to be unaware of the great effort and sacrifices of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB members in his election as Rivers Governor, especially in his second tenure when the evil forces in the seat of government in Abuja wanted to stop him at all costs. Our IPOB men and women paid the supreme price standing firm behind him, thinking he can be trusted, but unknown to us, he betrayed us and behaved worse than our known enemies. All we are telling him is to stop lying with our name. He's never a supporter of IPOB or the Biafran cause. If he claims to be supporting IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra, he should go and secure the release of those kidnapped in Igbo at his behest by the Nigerian army and detained in different army barracks in Abuja and northern Nigeria. We expect to do the same way he secured his expression and nomination forms to secure the release of the kidnapped IPOB members in Igbo River State. Then we will know that he is a supporter of the Biafran cause. This one is one too many. But of course, even the governor Nyesom Wike has said it at some point that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was always singing praises of him. So yes, there could have been a relationship of some sort between them. Maybe this time, not on the guise of IPOB, probably on the guise of Igbo people giving him support as an Igbo man or as a Southerner. Okay, because he had Governor Nyesom Wike several times insisted that he's not an Igbo man, he's not from Southeast, it's not even, there's nothing like Old Eastern region because it was dissolved, it has been abolished. That what is right now is six geopolitical zone, of which we have the Southeast and the South-South, of which he belongs to the South-South. So hence, he's not an Igbo man. All right, but then look at Nigerians are saying quite a lot over this matter. We're going to let's just fill our pause very quickly. This one here says Wike is not being wise at all. South man that thinks showing his hatred for Igbos will make other people vote him to power. He should check others that did the same, the likes of Awolowo and Abiola. They paid the price. This one here is saying, another person here is saying, it's obvious the Igbos don't like Wike. Wike should better step down and support Peter Obi. Nigerians have decided that it is Peter Obi they want. We all have no choice but to vote massively for Peter Obi come 2023. And that person here say, Akpa man, keep sharing Rivers money to Northerners. Igbos will never support you. We won't forget the uglies you did at Oyibo. This person here says, IPOB is a dead cause. Honestly, nothing will happen. Another person here says, and I agree with IPOB on this. Why will Wike not stand his ground to the end against outlawed association? Southeast cannot determine the next president of Nigeria. Another person here is saying, I'm a Nigerian and I have decided who will be the president. I have not decided who will be the president yet, man. The game is on. We don't even know who will be. Don't forget that while Nigerians are still thinking which one of them should go in, we still have the political factor, the cabal factor, the godfatherism factor, and the God factor himself. So see, 2023 is really pregnant with so many possibilities. But while at it, keep watch. This one here is saying to find favor with the North, you have to start bringing down your own people and tag them terrorists. BK, where did you get that from? This person here is saying UK has already recognized IPOB as an organization that is banned. All right, but talking about that issue of UK recognizing IPOB as a, there are some clauses. So yes, we need to go. It's something that you need to look into the clauses. It was not a straight direct stuff. There are some. If you check it, if you go through their website, you realize you agree with me that there are some clauses, of which that designation will apply. For better understanding, maybe one of these videos will look into it and with analysis in our mind to bisect it so that we really know exactly what IPOB as a group and those agitating for Biafra in general stands to lose or gain. Well, I think in this case may likely be lose, because if they say there's going to be a case of banning, there's nothing to gain about it. Let's interact in our conversation. What's your take on this?